Wagwan family, in this video I'm going to share with you how I make this guava glazed ham. I season the ham with cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, garlic powder, clove powder, Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning and green seasoning. So I just coat it down with the seasoning inside the slices. Now I'm going to mix pineapple juice, orange juice, brown sugar, maple syrup, honey, and some butter. Just mix them around. Now I'm going to base the pan. Going to put the ham inside, wrap it with the foil paper, put it inside the oven for 1 hour. Now I'm going to make the glaze. I'm going to use some pineapple juice, some ginger paste, cinnamon powder, some mustard, brown sugar, honey, and guava jam. Going to mix them around. Now that it come to a boil, I'm going to add some butter and turn down the heat and just keep stir the butter till it melt. Now I'm going to baste the ham with the guava glaze, put it back inside the oven for 15 minutes. Look at this, my people, nice and juicy. Peace out.